All right, my name is Brynn Renallo. I'm product manager at Milwaukee Tool, and I'm here to talk about our brand new M18 Brushless Precision Blower. So this product is all about delivering really fast moving air at a lower air volume. So it delivers over 570 miles per hour of air at 39 CFM, which is perfect for getting stubborn debris out of tight spaces that are hard to reach with traditional blowers today. So this product has variable speed trigger, it's got 3 different modes, and it's got interchangeable nozzles on the end here, which makes it a really versatile tool. You'll see in an automotive setting, it's perfect for drying and getting debris out of really hard to reach places. So when the car is wet in these crevices, the blower does a great job of getting all that debris out of there today. So it's a great product. It's got an LED light on the front. It's packed full of features, and it's available for sale today.
Okay, perfect. And how much was it?
It's going to be $179.
Okay, perfect.
The product itself is super lightweight. It's only about 3 pounds, a little less than that. So the 5.0 battery gives you the best ergonomic experience without being too heavy. Obviously, you can run any M18 battery on it. It just gets heavier the bigger battery you put.